The Higaonong people understand that life as a sacred journey is shaped by both strength and struggle. The elders say that we walk through the world seeking order, renewal, and inner balance, because this is how a person honors life.
At the center of this harmony is Mambabaya, the supreme creator. The elders emphasize that nothing happens without his will. He formed the world, gave breath to the people, and entrusted them with the laws that sustain peace and balance.
That is why everything begins with humility before Mambabaya. The elders often say, kung ato lang kusog, mapakyas ta. Pero sa Ginoo, makabarog ta. Human strength has limits, but the Creator never abandons the people.
For the Higaonon, order is not merely the absence of conflict. Order is a way of living with responsibility, respect, and restraint by always choosing what strengthens the community. The elders remind everyone that a person's action echo beyond themselves.
Because of this, before making decisions, one must reflect, pray, and listen to the elders. Decisions must protect harmony and not break it. This is how the tribe ensures that every choice contributes to peace.
The Higaonon also speaks of metanoesis, a deep turning of the heart. It means recognizing one's mistake, being willing to change, and returning to the right path. The elder says that metanoesis is not only personal, but it is communal.
When one person falls out of order, the whole family feels the imbalance. This is why reconciliation begins in the family and it extends outward. No member of the tribe should carry anger or pain alone.
Peace for the Higaonon is both gift and responsibility. It must be shared for daily through humility, respect, and mutual care. When a person fails to honor the land, the community, or the creator, imbalance enters, and this must be healed.
Healing is sought through rituals, prayer, and especially through the wisdom of the elders, who remind the community of their obligations to nature, to one another, and to Mambabaya. Their counsel restores clarity and, of course, inner calm.
Their songs, stories, and dances also carry this lesson. They are not mere cultural expressions, but they are reminders of gratitude, responsibility, and the sacredness of relationships.
The elders say that hardships and suffering are reminders and they're not punishments. Poverty, sickness, and struggle teach humility and bring a person back to what is good. They remind us that we depend not on ourselves alone, but on the Spirit who sustains life.
And when human effort is no longer enough, the Higaonon respond with prayer. The elders testify, kung dili nato kaya, ang Ginoo ang mohatag og kalig-on. In moments of despair, Mambabaya provides unexpected strength and guidance.
In the end, the Higaonong path of order, metanoesis, and peace leads a person toward harmony, also to within oneself, with the community, with nature, and with Mambabaya, who is the giver of life.